Hello, welcome. I just wanted to make a short video here about the Millionaire Society. Um, this program has been around a long time, and it is one way that you can further your multiple income streams, and that's the reason that it is in my digital franchise, is so that you can actually join this program. And what's going to happen is you're going to join for $4.95. It does cost you $95, I think it is, a month, or $94 a month, but you're going to get 50% of that, and you're going to be able to plug this into your digital franchise and make all that money from everybody that joins, because they're being instructed on exactly what to do right from the very start. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful, and go ahead and join that program. You can click on the link and below here, and do do your due diligence. Watch the video all the way through, and then join, and we'll see you in the back office. Thank you.